On the 15th of June 2017, our two teams met up in Prague to board an overnight train to Slovakia, where we would complete our qualifying expedition. Two train rides later, with less sleep than we hoped for, we took our last group photos.
Yeah, group photo here, guys. I just remembered.
And set out to conquer our first hill.
Yeah, I'm still excited.
The adventures of the next 5 days and 4 nights can be summed up in several chapters. Chapter 1. Hydration is key.
Drink a lot of water. That's good for you.
Throughout each day, we made sure to have at least 10 drinking stops. Chapter 2. Map versus reality. We all learned pretty soon that it was dangerous to rely solely on our map when determining how long each section of the route would take us. Some parts resembled an obstacle course. However, others were straight and easy to cover. Chapter 3. Food. As we had to carry all our food with us, at the end of each day we were relieved to know our bags would be lighter the next morning. Regarding the way we planned our meals throughout the trip, Matyáš sums it up pretty well.
The lunch was short.
Yeah, and I'm cold.
Chapter 4. Flora and Fauna. One of the aims of our expedition was to map the flora and fauna around us on our route. Walking up to 11 hours a day, we became accustomed to how both the weather and landscapes around us changed. As we ascended up the hillsides, towards the peaks of the mountains up to 2,000 meters above sea level, the air became much colder and the winds grew stronger. Chapter 5. Experience. Although we all walked down the exact same route for 5 days, each team member experienced it in his own way. Overall, I was surprised by how much stamina I had. Natalie says it gave her an opportunity to explore her strengths and weaknesses. The other Natalie simply enjoyed how calm she felt without the hustle of being in a large city. Gábi says she's glad she did it, but isn't quite sure how soon she will do it again, while Matyáš had quite the opposite experience, as our expedition motivated him to take on other journeys of his own. Is that right, Matyáš?
Mm-hmm.
He actually spent part of his summer this year traveling around Europe.